First, power on the headset. Next, you will then be prompted to set up your play boundary. Select the stationary boundary option. Choose medium size and standing position. Then adjust the floor level to the appropriate height. Once your play boundary is set, you will be returned to the Manage XR home screen. From there, you will need to check your Wi-Fi connectivity. To do this, click the Wi-Fi icon, then connect to your desired network. If you need to adjust your play boundary at any time, you can do so by clicking on the square dotted line symbol. Once you have connected to Wi-Fi and adjusted your play boundary, click on the PIXO Hub icon in the center of the screen. You will need to enter in your username and password that was provided to you via email. If you have lost this, you can contact support at pixovr.com for assistance. Once completed, click Sign In. From there, you will see the Hub app lobby. You will need to navigate to the cap icon, second option on the left, to view your available trainings. Scroll to the training you want to take, then select Open to launch your training.